guys, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be VanityCask unboxing video and my try on review regarding the box. So this is their box right here. They have a standard packaging going on, that is the box is made up of cardboard. I really like the quality of this box. I always use this box later on for some storage and this is my third time reviewing their box. So when you will open up the box, the first thing is this booklet. This is their May box, guys, and they have a theme going on for this month. So this month's theme is Summer Romance Edition. So it is written in the booklet itself. It contains all the details regarding the box, that is what's inside, and the curator story, all the details regarding the product that you will receive with their images in it, how to apply it, the key ingredients and the quantity. Okay, they haven't written the pricing of it yet. In the last page there is this referral program that how you can receive the box for free and how many boxes you can receive for free. Before I unbox the box, let me quickly tell you about VanityCask. So this is a beauty luxury subscription box. For every month the box retails for 999 rupees and they have come up with new offer this time, that is if you go for 3 months of subscription you will get a Votre kit absolutely free, which they have also sent me. So the kit retails for 3020 rupees, but you have to subscribe for 3 months to the box and then only you will receive this Votre kit in the first month of your beauty subscription box. Let me quickly unbox the box for you and then we will move on to review, and please watch the review for this box, guys, because I'm super excited. I've already tried most of the products and I'm happy about it. That's a disclaimer for you. These are all the products and I will also unbox the Watery kit. The first product is Caffeine Shower Gel with taurine and vitamin E by the brand Caffeine. This is 50 ml of bottle. This is paraben free product and this bottle retails for 189 rupees. It's written in the packet. Next thing is the Sowa Shea Butter and Kumari body lotion for normal to dry skin. This is 30 ml of bottle. Look how cute this bottle is. It retails for 200 rupees. Votre Day Moisturizing Gel with SPF 25, non-oily and non-greasy. This is 30 gram of product. No pricing is written in this product. Next thing is this Mom's Therapy Herbal Hair Pack. The pack is inside this pouch. So here is the pack. All the details regarding this product is in this slip right here, which was in the pouch. No pricing was written for this hair mask. And the last two things in this month's VanityCask box are face mask by Votre. I love Votre's face mask. Anyways, so the first mask that you will receive is Beauty Skin Care Cherry Brightening Facial Mask, Whitening and Moisturizing Skin. This retails for 250 rupees. Also, this one is a 25 gram of product. So next mask is also by Votre and this is their Skin Care Facial Mask Collagen Silk Mask Series. Anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, brightening, bring you a smooth and youthful appearance, perfectly suitable for dry skin, mature or prematurely aging skin. And this is 30 gram of product. This also retails for 250 rupees. Let me just quickly unbox the Watery kit. So the kit came in this beautiful pouch and we will receive 2 products in this. These are worth 3000 rupees or more. So here you go. The first thing is this Votre face serum. This is 15 ml of bottle and this is meant for men and women both because the sign says so. And this one retails for 1670. The bottle is made up of glass. We will talk about this more in the review. Next thing is this face cream. This is Votre Botanical Day Gel SPF 35 PA++ mineral enriched. This is 50 gram of product and you will be wondering where is the pricing. So this is the slip. So this one retails for 1350. After seeing the slip, because this is not attached to it, I thought what if this one gets lost, because this one contains all the information, the expiry date, the ingredients and everything and how to use it. So I went through the booklet just to see whether the booklet contains the details about the Watery kit, and no, it doesn't. So make sure you do not lose the Watery kit slip. This is important. Just keep it in the pouch and lock it. So let's just quickly move on to the review. So this is going to be a try on review. The first thing that I tried today is this Caffeine Shower Gel with taurine and vitamin E. So the direction of use says pump the shower gel on your loofah to create a nice and thick lather. Scrub well, let the caffeine kick in and rinse. So the smell of this reminds me of a very refreshing aqua summer summer vibe kind of a smell this has. Smell is very soothing. The more I smell it, the more it reminds me of some kind of a room freshener, which I cannot remember, but I really like the smell of this. Obviously it's a shower gel, you need a loofah for it, and so I have my organic loofah right here. To coin size of this product, that was good to go for my entire body. It did a good job of cleaning my body and did not leave it dry at all. If you go for synthetic loofah, I guess one coin size product is enough for this one. The bottle size is also good enough to travel with, and Caffeine is a good brand. I've tried their products before, so I have no complaint regarding that. After taking shower, what you need is a body lotion. So they have given this Sova shea butter and Kumari body lotion, meant for normal to dry skin. My face is combination, that is my T-zone is oily, but my entire body is on a drier side. It depends upon the product which I'm using. That's why I like to use shower gel, because they do not leave my body dry. A little goes a long way for this one, because this one has a shea butter in it. If you have oily skin, this might not work for you. This might make your skin more oily, but if you have dry skin like me, this is a good product for you. And this one retails for 200 rupees, which is on an expensive side, and you only get 30 ml of bottle, so obviously this will last you for over a week or so. Once you apply it, you do not need to apply it again and again, because this one contains shea butter. It's been around 4 hours or so since I've applied this cream, and my skin is doing fine currently, and obviously good for traveling, because come on. So they have given you something for your hair also. So this is Mom's Therapy Herbal Hair Pack. This pack contains 9 herbs, that is shikakai, neem, methi, hibiscus, rose, bringraj, amla and brahmi, and jata mansi bapre naam. For oily skin, they just said that mix it with water and apply it into your scalp and leave it for about 40 to 45 minutes. This one has a very organic and herbal smell. I have really very oily hair. It tends to get really oily in summer, so I will just mix it with regular water and use it, okay guys, and let you know in my Insta story what I feel about this product. So please start following me there. Also, don't lose this slip right here, because the expiry date are not written in this booklet, so please do not lose it, because the expiry date is also important. Come on, you are putting something on your hair and you want to know when it is getting expired. Safe and secure. So now moving on to face. For face, I had this face mask by Votre. I've tried this brand before. I love this brand so much, so I'm really excited that I got this one again in this month's box. And so this is like an anti-wrinkle mask. Okay, I can just try this one on my mom. So I tried this one yesterday. This is Votre's Beauty Skincare Cherry Brightening Facial Mask. So this is a fruit mask that says this was supposed to moisturize, smoothen and brighten the skin. So I did everything it said. That is, I cleansed my face, I applied the mask, I left it for 15 minutes, and it wasn't a well fit for my face, so I had to tear it from the side just to make sure it fits my face perfectly, and I always struggle with the mouth area. Anyway, I left it for about 15 minutes or so. After that, my skin was smooth like baby bum. It was so smooth. I was really happy with my skin. Every time I apply any face mask, especially by Votre, I feel like something is done right on my skin today. So I'm really happy with the result that it has given me. It definitely brightened up my skin, and my skin was glowing for sure. And moving on to face cream. If I just go with the monthly subscription box, then I had one option, that is this Watery Day Moisturizing Gel. Or if I would include the Watery kit also, then I had this option. Anyway, these 3 are from Votre brand. So these 2 are a gel based cream. First, I tried this serum by Votre. This is the face serum, and this was supposed to brighten the complexion and reduce fine lines. So you have to shake the bottle before you use it, and this one comes with a dropper. Looking at the bottle, I thought it would be an oil based serum, but it's not. The consistency isn't too thick or too thin. The serum definitely has a fruity smell to it, but not so strong or overpowering. So I took 2 drops of this serum and started applying it all over my face. It is a bit heavier, on a heavier side. It takes a bit of more pressure into your skin just to make sure the serum gets absorbed into your skin properly. But after that is done, you don't feel anything at all on your face. It just blends into your skin very nicely. The best part about this serum is that this is meant for men and women both, and this is not a night based serum or day based serum. You can use this any time of the day. Also, the serum definitely gave me an instant brightening all over my face, but obviously with one uses you cannot tell much of a difference, so I have to use it multiple times just to tell you guys the results. So I let the serum do the job, and I let it sit on my skin for about 5 minutes or so, and after that that, I used a cream, Votre Botanical Day Gel Cream. This definitely reminds me masculine smell, you know, you find in aftershave lotions or some kind of deodorants, I want to say. Not overpowering, it has that kind of a smell. It definitely you know, blended into my skin nicely. I wasn't feeling sticky or oily, and also I was going through this slip that came with this Watery cream. So in this slip they have given this research results in a very small letter. So it says, in an 8-week clinically study on 52 participants, 95% saw an improvement in hydration immediately, 81% saw glowing skin immediately, 100% saw an improvement in skin texture in 1 week, and 79% saw reduction in pore size in 4 weeks, and 78% saw the look of the fine lines reduced in 8 weeks. So after reading about the studies, I'm more into this product. I'm definitely including this in my regular regime, my skin routine, and I will let you guys know. I always say I will post a skin routine, but so that's everything I did today on my face. And definitely after applying the cream and the serum, my makeup also sits nicely on my skin. I thought I would just say that to you. We are left with this product right here, which came in the subscription box. I haven't tried this one out, guys. I'm so sorry, but I will definitely tell you about the consistency, the smell, and everything. Okay, so this is meant for men and women both. The smell of this reminds me of balm. Really, it does remind me of a balm, some kind of a balm. This has that kind of a smell. I don't know why do you smell like that. Let me apply this here, and this doesn't leave your skin oily or greasy at all, so that's a good thing. See, it's been 2 minutes or so. It had blended into my skin nicely. After applying this, I felt a cooling sensation. Why did I felt a cooling sensation? Wait, because this has rosehip oil, maybe that is why. So what I think about the box, I really like this one's VanityCask Box, guys. All the products which I've tried by far are my favorites. I cannot pick just one product. Obviously, face masks by Votre are my all-time favorite. I have to tell you that the Watery kit is really amazing, and the entire kit retails for, I don't know, 3,000 plus, and you can get this absolutely free if you go for 3 months of subscription. It's up to you. I think this video is already very long, but if you have made this far, then comment down pink heart in the description box, and I will know that you were here, you know, at this part of this video. For more of such videos in future, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Now I'm sweating like a pig. Oh, look at me.